Welcome to Alvin's Studio. Today we're heading to Brenham, Texas, to explore a smart investment strategy that's taking the real estate world by storm. Imagine living in one stylish container home while renting out the other, doubling the charm and maximizing the returns. These dual-purpose container homes are not just an architectural trend. They're a practical solution for modern living and savvy investing. Curious to see how it all comes together? Let's dive into this innovative housing concept right here on Alvin's Studio. Imagine living inside a shipping container. Sounds a bit drab, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. Container homes are anything but boring. These stylish, sustainable, and surprisingly spacious homes are taking the housing world by storm. They're versatile, affordable, and oh so Instagrammable. Breaking down the container home. Myth: it's not just a box. Think container homes are merely metal boxes? Think again. These homes boast creative layouts and stylish designs, proving that looks can be deceiving. They're the perfect blend of form and function. What makes container homes an ideal choice for modern living? Sustainable, affordable, and easy to construct, container homes check all the right boxes for those seeking modern living solutions. These homes are eco-friendly, utilizing recycled materials and minimizing waste, making them a perfect fit for environmentally conscious buyers. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to be the coolest kid on the block? A closer look at the Brenham Container Home Market Gem. Located just a mile from the famous Bluebell factory, Brenham's latest container home is an opportunity not to be missed. This container home offers two separate units, each approximately 400 square feet, ideal for personal use or rental investments. Both sides spare no charm or functionality, and did we mention it's priced at a steal? This multi-family container home, listed for $140,000, sits on a spacious 5,663 square foot lot, and includes one bedroom and one bathroom. Its efficient design makes it an attractive option for buyers looking for versatility, whether as a primary residence, rental property, or vacation retreat. The combination of affordability and modern container living is sure to catch the eye of savvy investors and enthusiasts alike. Financial benefits: more than just a place to live. Container homes can be a strong financial investment. Imagine living in one unit while renting the other, effectively offsetting your living costs. Better yet, convert both into Airbnb weekender retreats and watch the dollars roll in. Design inspirations. Customizing your container haven. Your container home doesn't have to be basic. Let your imagination run wild. From open layouts to quirky designs, the opportunities are endless. Make your home uniquely yours with lush interiors or minimalist exteriors. The container is your canvas. The construction process: as easy as 1, 2, 3. If traditional home building sounds daunting, container homes offer relief. With typically shorter build times and fewer complications, the construction is often a breeze. Container homes are often thought of as tight spaces, but smart design can make them feel much larger. Families have successfully adapted to living in these adaptable homes with comfort. Maximize every square inch with creativity and innovation. Rental markets thrive on unique properties, and container homes are just that. Providing guests with an unforgettable stay can lead to repeat bookings and positive reviews. Turn your container home into a lucrative enterprise with minimal investment. By repurposing shipping containers, you're actively reducing your carbon footprint. These homes exemplify sustainable living, from recycled structures to energy-efficient designs. Mother Earth approves. Container homes naturally offer several energy efficiency benefits. With the right insulation and solar solutions, utility bills can be dramatically reduced. Keep comfortable without the dreaded energy bill shock. Container homes are making their mark in urban landscapes. Compact and versatile, they integrate seamlessly into city settings, offering urbanites practical housing solutions. Perfect for vibrant city neighborhoods with a need for unique housing. How do container homes measure up against traditional ones? While each has advantages, container homes often win on cost, speed, and sustainability. Consider the trade-offs and decide what suits your lifestyle best. Safety is a priority, no matter the home type. With proper modifications and safety standards in place, container homes can be as safe, if not safer, than conventional homes. Let those worries melt away. Zoning laws can be the boogeyman of home construction. However, by researching local regulations and working with professionals, you're already halfway there. Be informed to avoid hurdles on your container home journey. Feeling handy? Constructing a container home can be an ultimate DIY project. With the right skills and resources, bringing your vision to life is achievable. Just don't forget those safety goggles. Inside a container home, functional elegance reigns supreme. Thoughtful layouts and space-efficient designs create inviting interiors that maximize comfort. Luxe where it counts, cozy where it needs to be. Container homes present a future where housing is more adaptable, sustainable, and affordable. As urban spaces grow scarce, they're becoming a viable option for many. Welcome to the dawn of the housing revolution. Incorporating charm, sustainability, and affordability, container homes are more than a trend. If you're ready to make a savvy investment, the first multifamily container home in Brenham is waiting for you. Don't wait, make your mark in modern living today. And that concludes our tour of the smart investment in Brenham, Texas, where living in one container home and renting out the other offers both comfort and financial savvy. It's a perfect blend of modern design and strategic living. If you found this concept inspiring and want to see more innovative home designs, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Alvinsa Studio.